Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a powerful tool in AI video creation, Hailuo AI. If you have ever wondered how to create viral video for your YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok with AI, keep watching. Hailuo AI is here to revolutionize your content creation journey. Hi, I am Raihan, your guide to creating impactful digital content. Hailuo AI makes it easier than ever to create professional video using artificial intelligence. Whether you are a business owner, influencer, or content creator, this tool has something incredible to offer. So what exactly is Hailuo AI? Hailuo is an advanced video generation platform powered by artificial intelligence. It enables users to create realistic, engaging, and high quality videos in minutes, while without a huge budget or advanced digital skills. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I already made maybe 2 or 3 videos about Hailuo AI, how we can create AI video using Hailuo AI. And many of you just messaged me that it's not working. Like maybe you purchase their premium services like subscription. But the problem is I got another website, HailuoAI.com. So if you check my YouTube channel, so you will get the Hailuo AI videos. Okay guys, and I've already created using this tool. If you want to create the Hailuo AI video, so you can watch my other videos. It's really easy to create. Okay, so scroll down, you'll see the different kind of pre-generated different videos. So you can check this website. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create ChatGPT prompt and then how you can use Hailuo.ai. Okay, so first of all, go to ChatGPT and write a command or prompt. Okay, so you can write similar this, give me some prompts: forest scene and dragon walking in the forest for AI video. So this is the forest scene. Okay, a dragon walking in the forest. This is the another one. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one, dragon walking in the forest text, and let's go back to Hailuo.ai and just paste it here and click on this. Okay guys, here we can see these are the videos that I already generated, and I showed the other videos. So check out my channel, so you will find this really interesting guys. So this is the video. It's already still waiting, so I will show you the final results guys, and finally how you can download. Okay, and if you are a beginner, don't worry about prompt, so just practice. So you can write as yours, and then slowly and surely it will improve. So I know this is very simple prompts that I already generated using ChatGPT. Also you can use Gemini as well. Also you can learn from other channels how we can write a good prompts. It's really important guys. Okay, all right guys, so finally video ready, so let's play the video. Okay guys, so this is the prompt, and so let's play the video. I can't believe this. Is it really dragon? It's a walking dragon guys. So maybe you can write like the dragon is flying, so you can rewrite this. Okay, so let's download this video. It's pretty simple, just click on download. It will download it into your device guys. So Hailuo AI is more than just a video tool. It's a content creation partner that saves you time and money. With Hailuo AI you can create quality videos without hiring actors, renting studios, or spending days editing. Imagine the impact that can happen on your brand or business, right? And that's a wrap on Hailuo AI. Whether you are making explainer video, ads on social content, this tool is worthy at a try. Okay, so if you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.